Turmeric and ginger turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which blocks inflammatory pathways in the body to help reduce chronic lower back swelling. Ginger, packed with gingerols, which have natural analgesic, pain-relieving properties that mimic the effects of mild over-the-counter anti-inflammatories. Spinach and kale nutrient-dense greens. These are loaded with vitamin K, magnesium, and calcium, which are the building blocks needed to maintain strong vertebrae and keep your spine structurally sound. Salmon and mackerel omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty fish are rich in EPA and DHA. These healthy fats act as a natural lubricant for your joints and suppress the proteins that trigger inflammatory back pain. Avocado and olive oil, healthy monounsaturated fats. They help reduce the body's systemic inflammatory response and aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamin D, that your bones rely on. Nuts and walnuts plant-based protection. Walnuts are exceptionally high in ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fat that helps soothe irritated nerves and muscle tissues around the spine. Broccoli and cauliflower cruciferous power. These vegetables contain sulforaphane, a compound that blocks the enzymes linked to joint destruction and chronic joint pain. Calcium foods, milk, yogurt, cheese, bone density. Support. High calcium dairy products ensure your body has the materials necessary to prevent bone thinning, osteoporosis, which is a major contributor to structural back pain. Sunlight and vitamin D, the catalyst. While not a food, vitamin D is crucial because your body cannot absorb calcium without it. Getting enough sunlight or consuming fortified foods helps keep your spinal bones dense and resilient.